Hi friends, welcome back to your phonics lessons. Yesterday I took the time to make a little tutorial video and link some games from Starfall for you all to play. Now the lessons that we would be doing if we were in school together come from a little teacher book that I use, and it has me trying to make little games like sight word board games for you all to play. And if we were in class, that would be great because I could print all the board games out and we'd have all the materials that you all need to play. But since we're not in class, it's not really easy for me to make all those copies of those board games and deliver all of the materials you would need. And there's not a great way to make them online either. So what I am going to do is introduce you guys to a new website besides Starfall. This website is called education.com, and you guys can play free sight word games on here, and you can, over on the side, you can pick what grade level. So I would start with you all for kindergarten and first grade. Kindergarten will be like review words and things like that from last year, and then first grade would be more of the sight words that you should be learning or would be learning if you were in school this year. And then if you need like ABCs type of stuff, there's also a preschool level as well. But this is a resource that is free. I've tried it out myself and played some of the games, and I think it's really cool. Up at the top corner, you have to hit login or sign up. So if you hit sign up, it gives you some options. So I made an account to try it out. But if I didn't have an account, what you would do is it will give you some options. It'll say like sign in as a student. It'll say like I'm a parent and I want to make an account for my kid. So it'll give you different options and you'll choose one. And all you have to do is enter an email and a password. And once you do that, you just hit create account and it will log you in. It has me up here, it has my account name up here, my email logged in, and then it gives you all these games to play. So I'm going to select first grade, and there's sight words hopper, long and short vowel. I'd probably just start at the beginning. And I played this game, it's pretty neat. So you hit play, and it gives you a little guy, and it tells you the directions. It says find the word can, so you have to find the mud puddle that says can and click on it. And he hops in the little mud puddle, and it keeps telling you words to find. So you would play it till the end, and at the end of the game, it'll give you an option. It says, let's try a guided lesson. This is a pretty cool feature of this website. If you click on the try a guided lesson, it tells you where to start. So up here on this little mountain, there's a little person, and you start at the top of the mountain and you work your way down. So it starts with like uppercase letters. So you would click on it and it will take you to a little uppercase letter song and game, and there's different things you can walk through to learn uppercase letters. And then when you're done with that, you go back to the map and you could go on to the next activity, whatever that is that works your way down the mountain. So it's kind of cool. It's progressive. The kids can play games. They can challenge themselves or pick a harder activity or easier one if they need. And it sorts it out on the side by different levels of things that you would want to play by different grade levels. So it's pretty neat. For your assignment today, I just want you guys to either make an account or log in using my account. I'll put the link to my account, and hopefully that'll work for you guys. And I just want you to try out some of the games and let me know if you like this resource and how it goes.